Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locating every copyrighted element so you know what to remove and what to replace. Once done, duplicate the project and work on the copy to avoid losing originals. Scrub the timeline and set precise in /out points for each problematic segment and jot down replacement assets or edits you'll use. This prevents mistakes and keeps version control clean. Make sure to keep a short log of timestamps and intended fixes so you can move to the next step quickly. Now remove the flagged content. Cut clips or mute the audio track where copyrighted music plays. Replace with licensed music, royalty-free tracks, or your own recording and resync to maintain pacing. For visible logos or footage, apply a crop, blur, or overlay a graphic. If necessary, swap the shot with alternate footage to preserve story flow. Once done, smooth edits with transitions and audio ducking so the viewer doesn't notice abrupt changes, and check continuity across adjacent cuts. Finish by rendering a review copy and watching it end to end, looking for any residual copyrighted material or visual artifacts. Make sure to inspect waveforms and use loudness metering to catch faint audio remnants. Adjust fades or apply noise reduction as needed. If all clear, export the final master with proper metadata and create compressed delivery versions. Keep a backup of your edited project and notes in case a problem appears and you need to revisit or re-export quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.